everybody. Hello everybody. This is my final video for the flip house. It's done. It is listed. We've already had a full price offer. We signed the thing to accept the offer, but that isn't done yet. But full price, I'm excited. So I'll flip the camera around, and anyone that watches this video first, please go back and watch the first one. Where we first came over here. This was a lot worse than it is now, but I'm going to do a slow walkthrough and go over everything we did. Alright, so this is kind of hard to see, but this is the mudroom. So that goes out to, there's 4 doors. There goes to the backyard. That's the garage. That's the front yard. And then this is a brand new door. Put new floors in this mudroom. Oh, and then this is the kitchen. The kitchen came out very well. The crown molding is all up. Those cupboards came out very well. Stainless appliances. Floor, the original floor cleaned up very nicely. Did not cheap out on appliances. These are very nice. Stainless steel tub, not a plastic tub. All the windows and all the doorways have all been retrimmed. Oh, I don't know if I remember in the first video if you can even see that. That cupboard on the left right there is actually brand new. We had to bring that in. There was a metal one there that was just horrendous. New GFI outlets. Everything was brought up to code as far as outlets. Plumbing, all that. We actually did, this is back up. This is the front, well, this isn't the main entry door, but that's the front door. That's a brand new door. Like I said, all trimmed around. We updated a lot of plumbing in here. So what I did is left those 2 panels. Somebody can always open, those are the back side of the sink and the shower in the bathroom. So if anyone ever needed to get in there, they can. Living room, which I tried to mention in the previous video, is very big. Trims all up. Backyard is snow. Every light in this house is now LED. Very efficient. This hallway just came out wonderful. All new trim. And bathroom is completely brand new. New floors, new everything. If you look in the previous video, that wall used to be a door. I don't know what it was. It went from this sinky area over to the toilet and tub. In the previous video, I had like a shelf kind of set up that I was going to do there. There was an outlet hanging out. If you can see, we actually moved the outlet right over to that wall and put wainscoting up in the whole bathroom. Brand new tub. Brand new surround. Some of these registers were kind of in rough shape, so the ones that we had to replace, we did. They're pretty expensive. We probably should have just done them all, but we were trying to save costs on things. Put in a great big mirror, LED lights over that. And this was the very bad bedroom. The one they left the animals in that I mentioned. See, those are the old registers, but we saved them. New carpeting, all the rooms, all new kickboard, trim around everything. These doors are all trimmed around. Like I said too, all new. Those are all new LED fixtures. We'll skip that bedroom. This is the 3rd bedroom. I saved all the registers in this one. These windows, actually, if you look, the place next door is actually vacant. They're those long, skinny windows. We're actually going to try to acquire that one. But this looks so much better with that trim around it. It was kind of a weird window to begin with, but with the trim now, it just looks awesome. Closet doors are all been painted. And this is the master bedroom. Saved the registers in here. Actually, pretty good sized closets. Same window in here. Front yard. My truck's sitting out there. This is the master bath. Well, it's the bathroom off the master bedroom. I wouldn't call it a master bath. It's a half bath. Same thing, all new floor, new toilet, new sink. There used to be a cheapy mirror here. Put in a new one that actually took a little bit of customizing. New light, LED. Love the little pedestal sink. Yeah, I'll walk back out. And then I think in my previous video, I had talked about the kitchen. Oh, actually, let me stop right here real quick and turn this light on. This is the only room we didn't paint, but that is a brand new forced hot air furnace, new ducting. Yeah, way more efficient than what was in here. The other one, you could, it barely moved air, so it was not efficient at all. Shut these lights off as I go. So that soffit above, that used to go all the way across. I think you can see it in the previous video, I'm not sure. So where it's cut out above the window now, we put a pedestal light there. And it came out great. It actually, deleting that little spot right there of the soffit that was above these cabinets actually opened this kitchen up significantly. The window is more pronounced now, and so yeah, that's my video on flipping houses. The one thing I'm going to tell everybody, this was not nearly as easy as people think it is. This was a lot of work, more than I imagined actually. So anyone that wants to think they're going to get into this and do it quick and easy, yeah, it's not quick and easy, and there's unexpected costs. And so anyways, that's the end of this video, and hopefully I'll have another one.